Okay, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how we can add loitering events to cameras. So I am logged into the ACC6 interface and I'm going to select up there. I'm going to select Site Setup and I want to set up loitering on this camera here. So I'll select it. I will go into Analytics Events. I'm going to go ahead and click on Add. And what I want to do is shade the area that I want the analytics event to take place in. And you have two different ways to set up object loitering. You can do people and persons. In this one, this is obviously a parking lot, so I don't want to set up vehicle loitering or it would be going off all the time. So I'm going to deselect that. And what I want to do is I want to set it up for 5 minutes of loitering. And I go ahead and select OK. And now I have that loitering analytics event inside of that camera. And then what I have to do is go, now I need to set this up. I need to set up a rule so that the customer can get triggered when this event happens. We don't want this event to be on during regular business hours because obviously there's going to be customers coming in and out of here constantly. So now that I've created that loitering event, I'm going to go to the server itself. I'm going to select rules and I'm going to add a rule. So what I want to do is on the device event, the device is the camera, I want to select video analytics event started, and I want to select any of the, I have loitering, that's the one that I just created, the loitering event on, and remember we did EPL INO cam 1. So I want to do EPO INO cam 1, select, and I'm going to select next, and I want it to send an email, and I'm going to use a custom message, which would be, and that will be the actual, sorry, typo there. That will be the message that gets displayed in the email. I also want, it says with images, I want to attach images from the camera link to the event, and I'm going to add a recipient. I already have us in here, so safe sound. Okay. At the most every 10 minutes. We don't want to get that message fatigue on this, so every 10 minutes. I'm going to select next. I don't have any digital inputs on here, so I'm not going to activate any lights or speakers or anything like that. I'm going to select next, and this rule name I'm going to call loitering, 10 p.m. I'm going to create a new schedule. I'm going to name it the same so that I have some sort of relevance between the two. And I'm going to add the times. And I want that to start today. And I want that to be daily. So I want that means it's going to happen every single day. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add and finish. And now that rule is created.